Speechwriters can make a candidate sound good, but they can't help him make decisions. In this election, it's important to look beyond the rhetoric. Eloquence does not equal experience. When it comes to John McCain, actions speak louder than words.